Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to draw circle in Adobe Acrobat 2024. So open this Adobe Acrobat first. Now choose the PDF you want to make circle, making this 50% for visible outlook. Now I'm gonna put a circle here. In this section, I'm gonna put a circle. I'm gonna show you how. You can see on top left corner this tools option, right? Put here the cursor and click open, and now scroll down and you'll find here comment option. Click on comment, open, and then you can see here this option which is drawing tools. Click on this drop down menu and choose oval. Now you have to just put your cursor here and use the mouse to draw this circle. Okay, now if you want to change the circle's thickness, colors, you can do this. Right click inside the circle and you'll find here properties. Click on properties and then you can see style. Click on drop down menu and you can choose any style you want. Okay, then you can change the thickness. You can do this like this thickness. Now you can change the color. Click on this and your color will be changed. Okay, now click on OK and you can see this circle has completed. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.